அனைவரும் எழுந்து நிற்கவும். நீராறும் கடலுடுத்த நிலமடந்த கெளிலொழுகும் சீராறும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கனமும் மதில் சிறந்த திராவிடன திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திரும்பியந்த செயல் மறந்த வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே வாழ்த்ததுமே.
Once again, a very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Our nation's way of life and ethnicity is something we identify throughout our lives. Hence, we should count ourselves blessed to have got a chance to showcase our country's cultural splendor through these events, and that we have youngsters that can represent Indian artistic expression through their strong dance performances graces the occasion even more. I'm pretty sure these performances will be outstanding than what we have witnessed in the past few years. I promise that when we leave the hall, our hearts will palpitate with powerful and strong positive emotions to the jadis with Salangai music ringing in our ears. Our students have put in a lot of effort into the preparations which have been ongoing for several months. The goal was to ensure that each dance is perfect, that each dance performance results in thunderous applause from our audiences. I'd like to express my gratitude in particular to our team which provided invaluable support in planning and execution of this event. Nattuvangam by Nattuvanga Kalaimani Srimati Vanishri Kannadasan avargal, vocal Isai Kalaimani Gana Varshini Srimati Subhashini Muthukumar avargal, Selvan MS Shiva avargal, Mridangathil Thiru T Murugan avargal, violinil Punnakudi 3 Thiru Jayaprakash M Music avargal, costumes Pravina designers, makeup Mr. and Mrs. Kove Mahesh avargal, photos and videos True Dreams VFX Studio, light and sound Dashni Audios. They are our pillars of support, a solid backbone, and I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to them. Dance allows you to express your thoughts and emotions without having to speak. Dancers were once thought to be God's messengers because they could convey a wide range of emotions and narrate history or story in an engaging way. Music plays an important role in bringing this art form to life, and it is an integral part of the dance. So get ready for a whirlwind of joy and excitement. Without further ado, let us prepare for a spectacular start to the function. Light of the lamp is a symbol of hope, peace and prosperity. Darkness could not drive out blackness. Only light can accomplish so. Let us hope that the brightness of education overcomes the darkness of divisions, injustice and aggression in society and leads us to growth, equality and liberty. இப்பொழுது குத்துவிளக்கு ஏற்றுவதற்காக நமது சிறப்பு விருந்தினை அன்புடன் அழைக்கிறேன்.